That lingering cough has got to go, and I'm gonna show you my dirty little secret. The cost is less than a copay to a doctor's visit. These are mullein drops, and it's just mullein leaf extract, which has been used for centuries to help with respiratory issues. It is super easy to take. It tastes like a tea, but if you don't like it, you can mix it into any drink. And this works better for me and my husband than any other product that I've ever found at the pharmacy. This stuff is like a detox for your entire respiratory system. You are finally going to be able to cough up all of that phlegm and mucus and congestion in your chest. Plus, I just checked and this is on a flash sale with free shipping right now. I would hit the orange shopping cart before this sells out again.